on, burp again. Come on, burp again. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. So the sixth. I don't know if you guys heard it, but like he actually burped. He burps like 24/7. See this dude. This dude is acting like a whole frog. I know he isn't like actually burping. Ow, 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 ow. He's just saying ow, but very quickly. Did you just say ow, ow?
You want to hear me say awa awa? You want me to say awa awa?
It says ara ara.
You hear me say
Why do you say it like that? I swear to God. You sound so weird.
You want to hear me say ara? Ara.
Shut up. You don't even sound hot. Like, I'm just telling you. Like, you know. You know that you don't. You really don't. I'm gonna expose you. I'm gonna expose you. I'm gonna tell Bab that I only gained like 2 subscribers. Because I'm like so pro. Come on.
Imagine
Burp
if you
for real.
lost.
If I lost what?
The bet.
It's so sad.
Every single chore for a month.
Also, guys, could I have a favor? Could you guys like tell everybody in your family, even your dog, even though it could only bark, to subscribe to me? Because I'm betting with my dad who could get 1,000 first. And if I win, then I get to go on an Amazon shopping spree for a whole week. And if my dad wins, then I have to clean the house for a month. So please tell somebody. I really don't want to lose because I hate cleaning. Other than my room, I love cleaning my room. It's so fun.
Clean, let her know.
Please.
Let her clean.
I only need like 390 more. Please,
Guys, let her clean up.
Dad's catching up so close. He has like 480 something. He probably already has like 500 or something like that. Well, please tell everybody in your